Good afternoon, Steve Perkins on a very hot August afternoon. It's 110 degrees currently here in West Texas. I want to talk a little bit about Live Good. Live Good is my primary business. That's the one that everything else kind of points toward Live Good, because Live Good has been a good program for me. Live Good, my team is growing. The products work fantastic. When I spent most of the summer in the hospital, and when I came out, and part of my recovery was very fast and very speedy, based on the fact that I was able to take and use the supplements, protein powders, and all of that to help me in recovering from an infection and some long-term hospitalization. Well, I want to talk about it. Live Good is a simple program. There's closing in on 1.5 million members worldwide in over 200 countries. We are always, it seems like every week or every other week, we're coming out with brand new products. And most of them are organic, most of them are high quality, and all of them, I can tell you from a personal experience, they save people money. It's not based on, they don't have high priced products so that the upper level distributors and all of that can make a bunch of money because of the high cost of the products, the auto ships, the required number of sponsorships, everything. You buy when you want to buy. You sponsor when you want to sponsor. You purchase products that you need. I've been involved in companies where you had to buy like a monthly pack which had certain products in it, and some of them you didn't really use, so you ended up with a closet full of products. Not with Live Good. Live Good is a company with life-changing products, breakthrough marketing system, and a huge compensation plan. And you can do that, you can find that out by being part of the Live Good family. So let me get in here, and I want to show you a couple of things here. Shop, there we go. I was looking. It's got products that everybody uses, and the pricing as a member is fantastic. Let me see here. One of them here's the protein. This is a whey protein. And this is a full 30-day supply, and it's $34.95. Other whey products out there that I have seen are in the $40, $50, $60 range or higher. Let's go back over here to we have a whey-based product, whey-based protein powder. Again, I've seen this in the $40, $50, $100. This again is a 30-day supply, or well, some people, I know my son, one of my sons does some weightlifting, and he takes it more often than that. So let's go here. One of the products I can personally testify to that helped me in my recovery has been the protein. Ultra Magnesium helps me sleep. The Super Greens and Super Reds have helped me in regaining the composure, the circulation, the cardiovascular health, the immune protection, and energy and recovery that I've needed to recover from a severe infection that I had. And if you want to buy, and one of the things that I have bought many times before is this one. I have used this, and when I was in the hospital, I was in 2 hospitals. The rehab hospital allowed me to take some of my personal supplements as I regularly did, which helped in helping me recover. This product right here, it supports healthy heart support. It supports joint and oxygen health. It provides the immune health, and it supports healthy circulation. Here's some of the things that are in it. Fish oil, turmeric, coenzyme Q10, and garlic. I had several comments from healthcare professionals about how this product has some of the best ingredients that they've seen in a healthcare supplement. And this product, I used to buy just a product that was just basically fish oil, and I think it had a little bit of turmeric or garlic in it, but it was costing me over $35 a month just for the one ingredient. Here I get all of this support for $18.50, and I have to say that it supports my health a whole lot better than what I used to have. So as you can see, they have some health good products, and as you're a member, you're saving money. You're building. You can save money with prices going up and up and up with the new products that were coming out, and you can replace some of those high dollar products that you can come out. If you want to buy, here's one that's very popular right now: the mushroom coffee, and this supports weight loss. It supports focus and mental clarity, and it is. And I am a coffee drinker, and I have been a coffee drinker most of my life. So I thought I'd try the organic coffee. I didn't for several months, but now that I've tried it, it's amazing. I love the taste of my coffee, and so here is. It's fiber for weight management. It's got maca for mental clarity, green tea for brain function, and it's got the I can't ever remember the word on it, but it's got a where I can find it right here maybe. It's got a mushroom. There it is with mushroom. It uses some of the functional healthy mushrooms that you can do, and you can tell here. Here's some of the comparable prices for the mushroom coffee and stuff. Ours is $17.95 as a member, so it is very usable. And let me show you here. My team is growing. I have pre-enrollees coming in. Let's see here. Let's go down here to the pay plan. This is one of the things that people want to know about. When you become a member of Live Good, it's $40. That's a lifetime, one-time lifetime fee. That's what you get, and you will receive. And then it's $9.95 per month. So the first month it costs you $49.95. Or if you want to do a lifetime fee of $40 and a year's membership, it's $99.95. You save a couple of months with a membership fee that way. But it gives you the next week, when somebody joins you as an enrolled, fully paid member, you're going to earn $25 the very next week. Now, if you are unranked, that means that you haven't enrolled anybody, you're unranked, you're going to make 50% off of any of your members that you enroll. You're going to make a 50% override on what they do. So if you're a bronze, which you've enrolled 2, then you get 2 levels. And as you can see, the more people you enroll, you're going to be able to earn bonus commissions up to 10 levels deep. Now, matrix commissions. Once you become a member of Live Good, like I said, there's no enrollment requirements. You don't have to enroll anybody. If you just want to use it as a member and buy the products, it's great. But if you want to start earning some extra money and get some matrix overrides, you might want to share it and enroll other people. But if you don't do that and you stay around, how long it will take depends on how much spillover and all that happens in your particular enroller's team. You can earn up to 12 levels deep, and with a full 2x12 full matrix, you can earn a potential of $2,047.50. If you enroll just 2 people, you become a bronze, and they stay active. A full matrix down 13 levels, you'll be paid on, and you'll earn over $4,000 per month. The same thing with the silver. And then you get into gold, and platinum. You go to 14 levels as a diamond, a full matrix. You can earn a potential of $16,383.50 for a full matrix. Now, you also get matching bonuses. So on top of if you didn't sponsor anybody, you can still earn matching bonuses. You can earn on your personal matrix. Anybody, you enroll 5 enrollment levels deep. Now this is when you start enrolling. So you personally enroll somebody, you're going to start earning 50% bonus, matching bonus on whatever they earn. Say they earn $100. They earn $100. You're going to be qualified for a matching bonus. Whatever. You're going to be able to, if they earn $6,000 a month, we'll just use this here. If you have 10 personally enrolled people who are each earning $6,000 per month in their matrix, you're going to get a $3,000 matching bonus. So if they earn $100, for instance, you're going to earn an extra $50 that month. Kind of cool. But as you rank up, you're going to get to earn farther down in the matrix, up to when you hit diamond, 5 generations deep. You're going to be able to earn retail commissions. You're going to be able to earn when people first join you. The their first order is you're going to earn bonuses based on that. You earn 10% of the first order paid out, and once you start building your matrix, you're going to start earning override commissions on that. And if you're selling retail, you get the diamond and crown diamond. And there is a video here. Once you enroll, even as a tour taker, you're going to have access to be able to look at some of these videos, or if not, ask your sponsor, ask me. I'll send you a copy of this video. You can watch it. It explains the enrollment, it explains the compensation plan much better than I can do it. But there's a potential here. You're saving money. We're in a time where I looked at something today, somebody posted it, a Big Mac, and it's been 20 years ago or more. It was like $1.93, and the Big Mac was bigger than they are now, and it was over 200% higher. So prices are going up. You go to the grocery store. My wife passed away a couple of years ago, and I buy the groceries myself now. And as I buy the groceries, and I add. And I even notice, even on a month-by-month basis, some products are just slowly creeping up, and the prices of things, I'm paying 2 to 3 times today for the same things I bought 5 years ago. Prices are going up. But why not save money on your supplements and your health? Believe me, I'm 72 years old, and when I was in the hospital, I thought about that. If I take care of my health, I don't need to be here in this hospital. Obviously, I got an infection that was due to a medical procedure I had a few years ago, but it pops up every now and then, and I have to deal with it. But the best way to deal with it is by keeping your body fed with super good, great supplements and everything. So I've been taking care of my health. I take the supplement. I use the super greens, the super reds, the protein powder, the collagen powder, which battles the skin infections that I have. And it's just a fantastic product. And it's all $9.95 a month. It's the same as belonging to like a Sam's Club or a Costco. It's the same as paying for your monthly streaming with Netflix or being a member of Amazon Prime, or being a member of the Walmart Plus, where you pay a yearly membership or a monthly membership, and you get free shipping, and you get all these other benefits. Live Good is nothing more than a membership club that's $9.95 a month. You pay $40 one time for life. That's it. And even if you stop being an active member, you can still become an active. You can still continue to be active. All you have to do is go back in and re-log into your website with your email and your username, and pay your $9.95 and regain your activity. Become an active member again. You may not be in the same position in your matrix, but you'll still be a member of Live Good, and you will fit in where there's an empty spot. So don't let it drop. Even if you had to belong to this just to buy products for a year or two, and the spillover starts happening, and more spillover gets happening, you're going to start benefiting, and you're going to start earning from Live Good. Live Good is here to stay. It's only in the last 18 plus months, a little over 18 months, a little bit more, maybe it's close to 20 months now. But anyway, they've got close to 1.5 million members. So now's the time to join Live Good. How do you join Live Good? Let me go up here to I got my phone ringing. My website. You simply go to livegoodtour.com, SL Perkins, and that'll get you a website. That'll get you to a tour page right here, and you can join it in. If you need it in Spanish, it will be there. You can get a Spanish version. So now's the time to join. I can't get over to the phone to stop it. So anyway, join Live Good today. Grow, build your destiny, and watch your business grow. Watch your health improve. Watch your destiny improve. So this has been Steve Perkins in West Texas. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video, and we'll be happy to get back with you. If you want to comment, I'll be glad to help get with you. Thank you, and have a great day.